Hey there, fellow storytellers. Welcome back to Pen Powerhouse, your one-stop shop for all things writing. Today, we're diving deep into a powerful tool that can transform your storytelling, the 27-chapter method. This method provides a roadmap for your story, ensuring a captivating journey for your readers from the first page to the last. Whether you're working on a sprawling epic fantasy or a heart-wrenching contemporary romance, the 27-chapter method can help you craft a compelling narrative. Get ready to unlock the secrets of captivating storytelling. The 27-chapter method is a story structuring technique that divides your novel into 5 distinct sections. Each section plays a crucial role in building the narrative arc and keeping your readers engaged. These sections are Introduction, Rising Action, Climax, Falling Action, and Resolution. Don't let the number intimidate you. Think of it as 27 building blocks, each contributing to the grand structure of your story. We'll break down each section in detail, exploring their purpose and how they work together to create a captivating narrative. Get ready to map out your next bestseller. The first 5 chapters of your novel are crucial for hooking your readers and immersing them in your story world. This is where you introduce your characters, establish their motivations, and set the stage for the conflicts to come. Start by introducing your protagonist in their ordinary world, showcasing their personality and daily life. Then, introduce the inciting incident, the event that disrupts their normalcy and sets them on a new path. Remember, first impressions matter. Make these chapters count by crafting vivid descriptions, intriguing characters, and a compelling hook that leaves your readers wanting more. The next 10 chapters are where the excitement builds. The rising action sees your protagonist facing challenges and obstacles, each one raising the stakes and pushing them closer to their ultimate goal. This is the section where you develop your characters' relationships, introduce subplots, and gradually increase the tension. Every chapter should end with a hook that compels the reader to keep turning the pages. Think of it as climbing a mountain. Each chapter is a step upward, bringing your protagonist closer to the summit, but also increasing the danger and uncertainty. Section 5. The peak of tension, the climax chapters. The climax is the heart of your story, the moment where everything comes to a head. It's the culmination of all the tension and build-up from the previous chapters, the point where the stakes are at their highest and the outcome is uncertain. This is where your protagonist faces their greatest challenge, and their actions will determine the course of the story. The climax is not just a single moment, but a series of events that build up to a peak. It usually spans 3 chapters and features the most significant conflict your protagonist faces. This is where the tension that has been building throughout the story reaches its peak, and the reader is on the edge of their seat, eager to see what happens next. In these chapters, your protagonist will confront their greatest fear, make life-altering decisions, and experience significant growth. This is where they are tested to their limits, and their true character is revealed. The stakes are higher than ever, and the outcome will determine their fate and the fate of those around them. The climax is a roller coaster of emotions for the reader, leaving them breathless and eager to discover the aftermath. It's a moment of high tension and high stakes, where the outcome is uncertain and the reader is fully invested in the story. This is where your writing needs to be at its best, creating a vivid and immersive experience for the reader. To write a compelling climax, you need to understand your characters and their motivations. What drives them? What are their fears and desires? How have they changed throughout the story? These are the questions you need to answer to create a believable and engaging climax. Your protagonist's actions should be consistent with their character, and the outcome should feel earned and satisfying. The climax is also a time to tie up loose ends and resolve any remaining conflicts. This is where the reader gets the answers to the questions that have been building throughout the story. It's a moment of resolution and closure where the story comes full circle and the reader is left with a sense of satisfaction. But the climax is not just about resolution. It's also about transformation. This is where your protagonist undergoes significant growth and change, becoming a different person than they were at the beginning of the story. This transformation should be believable and earned, a result of the challenges they have faced and the decisions they have made. The climax should leave the reader breathless and eager to discover the aftermath. It's a moment of high tension and high stakes, where the outcome is uncertain and the reader is fully invested in the story. This is where your writing needs to be at its best, creating a vivid and immersive experience for the reader. Want to learn how to write heart-stopping climaxes that leave your readers speechless? Hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below. We'll be diving deeper into the techniques and strategies for crafting unforgettable climaxes in our upcoming videos. Stay tuned for more tips and insights on how to take your writing to the next level. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment below. Your feedback helps us create better content, and we love hearing from our viewers. Section 6, Picking Up the Pieces, the Falling Action Chapters. After the intensity of the climax, the falling action provides a space for the dust to settle. This section, spanning 5 chapters, deals with the aftermath of the climax and ties up loose ends. Here, your protagonist grapples with the consequences of their actions and decisions made during the climax. Subplots are resolved, and the story begins to wind down towards its conclusion. The falling action is a crucial step in providing closure and satisfaction to the reader after the emotional roller coaster of the climax. Section 7, Tying It All Together, the Resolution Chapters. The final 4 chapters of your novel offer a satisfying resolution to your story. These chapters are crucial as they bring all the threads of your narrative together, weaving them into a cohesive and fulfilling conclusion. It's in these chapters that the reader finally sees the culmination of the protagonist's journey, the resolution of the central conflict, and the answers to the questions that have been building up throughout the story. This is where you reveal the protagonist's fate, showcase how they've changed throughout their journey, and provide a sense of closure. The protagonist's transformation is often the heart of the story, and the resolution is where this transformation is fully realized. Whether they have achieved their goals, learned a valuable lesson, or found a new path, the resolution should reflect the growth and change that the protagonist has undergone. This is also the time to tie up any loose ends and ensure that all subplots are resolved in a satisfying manner. The resolution should leave your readers with a sense of completion and perhaps even a lingering question or two to ponder. It's important to strike a balance between providing closure and leaving some elements open to interpretation. This can create a more engaging and thought-provoking experience for the reader. A well-crafted resolution can also set the stage for future stories, whether in the form of sequels, spin-offs, or simply leaving the reader with a sense of curiosity about what might happen next in the world you've created. It's your opportunity to leave a lasting impression and cement the themes and messages of your story. The resolution is where you can reinforce the central themes and messages that have been woven throughout your narrative. Whether it's a message about love, friendship, courage, or the human condition, the resolution is your chance to leave a lasting impact on your readers. This is also a great time to reflect on the journey that both the characters and the readers have taken, and to celebrate the culmination of your storytelling efforts. A well-executed resolution leaves your readers satisfied, but also wanting more from the world you've created. It's the perfect blend of closure and anticipation, ensuring that your readers feel fulfilled by the story they've just experienced, while also eager to explore more of the universe you've crafted. Whether it's through future books, additional content, or simply the lingering thoughts and emotions that your story has evoked, a strong resolution can leave a lasting legacy and keep your readers coming back for more. Section 8, Bringing Structure to Life Examples in Popular Novels. Numerous best-selling novels utilize variations of this structure to great effect. These novels captivate readers by weaving intricate plots and developing characters that resonate deeply with audiences. The structure provides a solid foundation upon which authors can build their stories, ensuring that the narrative flows smoothly and keeps readers engaged from start to finish. For instance, Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone perfectly exemplifies the 27-chapter method. J.K. Rowling masterfully crafts a story that transitions seamlessly from one chapter to the next, each one building upon the last to create a cohesive and compelling narrative. The book's structure is a key element in its success, guiding readers through Harry's journey in a way that feels both natural and engaging. The initial chapters introduce us to Harry's ordinary life, followed by his introduction to the magical world and Hogwarts. This transition is crucial, as it sets the stage for the extraordinary events that follow. By starting with Harry's mundane existence, Rowling creates a stark contrast with the magical world, making it all the more enchanting when Harry finally steps into it. The reader is taken on this journey alongside Harry, experiencing the wonder and excitement of discovering a new world. The rising action sees Harry learning about magic and facing challenges that culminate in his confrontation with Voldemort. Each challenge Harry faces is meticulously crafted to build tension and develop his character. From learning to fly on a broomstick to solving the mystery of the Sorcerer's Stone, every event is a stepping stone that leads to the climactic battle. This progression keeps readers on the edge of their seats, eager to see how Harry will overcome each obstacle. The falling action deals with the aftermath of the battle, and the resolution shows Harry returning to the Dursleys, forever changed by his experiences. This part of the story is essential, as it allows readers to see the impact of the journey on the protagonist. Harry's return to his ordinary life is bittersweet, as he is no longer the same boy who lived under the stairs. The experiences he has had and the lessons he has learned have shaped him into a stronger, more confident individual. This structure can be adapted to fit any genre and story, providing a framework for a compelling and well-paced narrative. Whether it's a romance, a thriller, or an epic science fiction, the 27-chapter method offers a versatile blueprint that can help authors craft stories that captivate and entertain. By understanding and utilizing this structure, writers can ensure that their narratives are well-organized and engaging, keeping readers hooked from the first page to the last. The adaptability of this method is one of its greatest strengths, making it a valuable tool for any storyteller. Section 9. Share your thoughts. We'd love to hear from you. What are your thoughts on the 27-chapter method? Have you used it in your writing? Let us know in the comments below. We're always eager to hear your feedback and suggestions for future videos. Section 10. Keep the writing flowing. And there you have it, the 27-chapter method, a powerful tool to help you craft compelling and well-structured stories. Remember, this is just a guide. Feel free to adapt it to fit your unique vision. Now go forth and write amazing stories. And don't forget to subscribe for more writing tips and tricks. Drop a comment below. Until next time, happy writing.